Man escape on a lawnmower, but things take a wild turn when he shoots himself during the chase.
How you doing, James? Come on out there, man. Come here. James, stop! 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 Get off the... Now! Get off! Now! Stop! 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 Now! Stop! Now! Get off! Get off now!
I'm getting off! Right now! I'm getting off!
Now!
I'm getting off!
No! Step off! Shut it off and step off now!
I am! Calm
Get
down.
off!
Calm
Now!
down. Alone.
You run, I'm gonna tase you, James.
And I'm gonna...
Drop the gun!
Have it.
Send me another unit now. Shots fired. Suspect pulled the gun.
No,
He shot. Stand by. Suspect reached for a gun. Got tased. Round discharge from his gun. Start JCA'd another unit. Looks like he got shot in the hand.
Do you think this was a freak accident or a result of his own actions? Let us know in the comments and subscribe for more jaw-dropping stories.